Hello friends, once again welcome back to another new video from Health and Techie. Today we are going to discuss about the yellowing leaves in the rose plants and how to fix this problem. Yellowing leaves in the rose plant is the common problem everyone faces, and this disease is known as chlorosis. Now let's discuss about what are the causes of yellow leaves on your rose plant. The first one is light. Rose leaves turn yellow and fall off at the bottom of the rose bushes at times when the upper leaves are shading them. The lower rose leaves are not getting the sunlight they need to. The another important reason for the yellowing leaves in your rose plant is heat stress. Water. Another source of reflected heat that can cause yellow rose leaves is water. If rose bushes are watered and the water is left to sit at the base of the rose bush such that the sun's rays are reflected off the water and up onto the lower foliage, the lower leaves will be somewhat burned. Sometimes overwatering your rose plant will also result in the yellow leaves. Nutrient deficiencies such as nitrogen, magnesium and iron deficiencies in rose plants will result in the yellow leaves. Pests or diseases. Roses with yellow leaves can also be a sign of that the rose has a pest or a disease problem. Now we will discuss about how to treat the yellow leaves. First of all, you have to find out what are the reasons behind the yellow leaves of your rose plant. Keep your rose bushes well watered but not soggy wet. Use a moisture meter prior to watering. Water your roses either in the early morning or in the evening once the temperature have started cooling off. Apply fertilizers to your rose plant in order to provide it required nutrients like magnesium and iron. Observe your roses continuously to see that whether there is a pests or any other signs of disease on your rose plant. So this is how we can treat and find out the yellow leaves on your rose bush. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.